Shiba Inu Coin is unstoppable. Let's talk about where this coin is headed and what it's been doing over the last couple of days. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Shiba Inu Coin analysis. And if you guys want to help us out, please subscribe to this channel. We're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And also check out our public link. Hit the link down in the description below and you guys can sign up for public. It's a great social investing network to be a part of where you can see what your friends, family members, and even famous people are buying and selling and talking about in the market. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty guys, Shiba Inu, here we are. As you can see here, over the last week, we are officially up 258.28% just this week. An absolutely incredible run that we're seeing on this coin right now. It is just incredible stuff to see, guys. Really, this community is so incredibly strong. And now that we're seeing a renewed kind of revival and interest in this coin, it's impressive. It's just downright impressive, right? Just to watch everything that's going on. Now I will say, and I will give the caveat that over the last 24 hours, we've been a little bit shaky, right? So we saw very good momentum going into yesterday, which was of course October 6th. Today is the 7th. We saw very good momentum for most of the day, and pretty much right on the switch over here to about October 7th, we saw a little bit of a shake in the momentum. Right now, we're seeing a big dump right here, likely due to a whale dumping a significant portion of their position right around here, more than likely, or just kind of a little flash crash. A little bit of a rebound there though, kind of pushes back up here, and now unfortunately we are kind of breaking into those lower lows. We're still up about 7% over the last 24 hours. However, I would encourage caution at these levels because right now it's very hard to tell where Shiba Inu is going to go. We're going to talk about further in detail some technical analysis here and how I think there is obviously still some gains to be had on the table per se on TradingView here in the later part of the video. But I want to talk about some news and just kind of everything that's going on, because obviously there's a lot going on with not only crypto in general, but of course with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and anything related to it specifically. And I think news is very important because catalysts do tend to drive these coins as well as whale activity. So always keep that in mind. The biggest thing obviously that people have been talking about recently is Elon Musk, right? Elon Musk has been a large contributor or basically kind of catalyst to this run, especially with his photos, or his photo rather, of Floki, his Shiba Inu puppy that has kind of exploded on the internet and caused a lot of talk about it. And what's really interesting actually is we have an article today that I think really is a very interesting take on this. It says, no, Elon Musk Shiba Inu tweet isn't pumping Shib's price. Interesting take. Let's read a little bit more here. And I know a lot of you in the comments actually have this take as well as your own opinion, that you think that it's actually running just off of interest and overall social opinion, and of course the whales buying and selling a lot of Shiba Inu in one foul swoop. It's very interesting. Let's take a read here though. It turns out that the crypto market hasn't gotten sick of K9 themed meme coins just yet. No kidding. Self-claimed Dogecoin killer Shiba Inu has pumped by nearly 400% in the past week, pushing the token to the number 13th most valued cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Guys, that is incredible. Shiba Inu has pumped that much to the point where it is going to number 13 in popularity, or at least on value as far as the market cap goes. Absolutely incredible indeed. The seemingly odd price pop of one random coin among thousands of others has had some crypto traders scratching their heads. Why Shib and why now? I would say it's just crypto being crypto, and that's just a quote that they have there. Let's read a little bit here though. This is what they're talking about, and this is actually what I mentioned, and well, more than likely this is obviously what they were going to go into, was Shib whales. Data from the blockchain data, that's kind of a little bit of a redundant statement there. Data firm statement shows that the number of Shib transactions worth more than 1 million has gone up dramatically along with the price rally. A wallet tracking Twitter account also captured a whale purchase of more than 6 trillion Shib on September 30th, just a few days ahead of the skyrocketing price move. And as you can see here, here's the chart. Absolutely incredible stuff right there. Look at that volume spike. Oh my God. Notably, the increased whale purchase of Shib also came from India's crypto COVID relief announcement on September 23rd. The conversion of 50 trillion Shib tokens donated by Ethereum co-founder into USDC stablecoins has come to an end. London-based crypto market maker was responsible for this conversion. All right, guys, so let's break some of this down. A lot going on obviously here. Obviously, volume has increased drastically over the last couple of days just because of the place in news and trending kind of just overall social conversation happening about with Shiba Inu over the last couple of days. That is why we've seen a massive increase in volume, and as well the price continues to go up. So people are either FOMOing in at the wrong time, or they're trying to buy in at bad points. And a lot of people, I really want to make this clear, guys, is that this is still unclear on whether or not Shiba Inu in the short term is going to run higher. Again, the momentum looked good for the past couple of days, but we have broke rather significant resistance here, and now we're kind of going into a little bit of a downtrend here. So you have to keep that in mind, guys. You have to be aware of this, and you have to be vigilant. I mean, look, we're kind of dumping a little bit right here as we're making the video. That doesn't necessarily mean that Shiba Inu is done running, right? That a lot of people are more than likely, if this coin stays in the news and catalysts and more news, just anything news related, right, continues to come out about this coin, we're likely going to see a lot of people buy up the dips on these levels. Because again, Shiba Inu, again, I want to reiterate this. I keep reiterating this. This community is unlike anything else in the crypto industry. This is something that is really special. These people are very, very passionate about this coin, and they're more than likely going to be willing to buy up the dips at any level. And they don't care if they're buying in at the all-time highs or all-time lows, right? They want this coin because they believe it's going to go to the stratosphere and make them money, which is understandable, especially with everything going on, guys. Again, I keep saying this over and over again. In every video I talk about Dogecoin, and I use it as an example of why I think market cap really doesn't matter too much with these coins, because that's a big excuse and a kind of a reason why people like to talk about, well, the market cap doesn't, you know, it would never reach a penny, it would never reach 1 cent, it would never reach 1/10 of a cent, because the market cap would be so crazy big. Here's the thing, market cap, more time and time again with these coins, has proven to just not really work out, and not really be a reason for why coins can't move higher. Again, it just does not make sense to put that on a pedestal. Look what happened with Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin ran to literally more than a cent. It ran to like, what, a couple, did it run to $1? I can't remember exactly. Correct me in the comments down below if you guys remember. But again, it ran substantially from less than 1/10 of a cent to much, much higher. Market capitalization obviously increasing drastically over that time. And that is a big deal, guys. And it just, again, it goes to show that I think there's really nothing that isn't impossible in the cryptocurrency market. If something catches on a trend, or it catches up to kind of just overall social conversation, people are talking about it on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and it becomes a trend, it becomes a meme to buy the coin and to continue to invest into it and want it to go to a penny, that overrules everything. There are so many things that have been done this year through memes and jokes and trends that have created billionaires off of it. I'm very comfortable in saying that because it's true. It's incredible to see what a social community of people can do, guys. And again, just because we're pulling back a little bit here, I do think there is a little bit of room for a little bit more of a pullback, just because there's a lot of profit takers, and more than likely we're going to see a little bit of whales dumping their positions because they probably are trying to get out while they think it's a little bit too high at these levels. Again, I think the community is still strong. They're likely going to buy in at these levels, and I wouldn't be surprised if we can kind of stabilize after this a little bit and correct to the upside. But again, guys, there's not much signs of consolidation yet, so keep that in mind. Watch this very closely. If it starts to go into a bit of a consolidation pattern where it's trading between a tight range as far as price goes, then maybe I'm going to be a little bit more bullish on the short term, and I would see it go further up towards the upside, guys. But again, I'm probably buying at these levels if I were to buy. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm just talking about my own personal buying strategy and opinion. Again, this much of a run up, it's not surprising that we're seeing a bit of a pullback. Look at the RSI, look at the MACD. Again, the blue line in the MACD is well below the orange line, so we haven't had a confirmed breakout in the other direction yet. But just watch all these indicators close, guys. Keep a close eye, and of course subscribe here, because we're talking about this kind of news every single day. We're trying to provide you guys with updates, information, and anything that might be helpful. So make sure to subscribe, guys. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it today for this coin. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. It's a great way to get some free money and sign up for a great social investing network that allows you to see what your friends, family members, and even famous people are buying, selling, and talking about on the stock market. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.